I'm back already with another video. I couldn't wait. We've got Contenders football. I couldn't wait. I had to get a box. I had to open it. So I went and worked out today, and then I swung by Legacy Sports Cards before they closed and picked out a box. One of the guys had hit a girly, and then another dude didn't do so well in his box. So we'll see how my box goes. My washing machine is currently running, so sorry if that's making a lot of noise. And this, if you haven't seen Contenders before, it's one of the most popular products that's out there. 5 autographs, sometimes 6 in a box. Usually at least 1 on card, sometimes 2. Different cracked ice, playoff ticket, championship ticket, Super Bowl ticket, parallel variations, inserts, all kinds of fun things to try to pull out of it. You get 24 packs, so let's go ahead and get to it. I keep hearing something. Boom, boom, boom. Like there's something down there. It's bumping against the table. I don't know if you can hear that on the mic, but it's driving me crazy. I'll just put that there. I feel like my camera is just so far away the way I have it now. My setup is weird now. It's on like a mini tripod. I'm not sure how much I like it really. What's that noise? Do you hear that on the mic? I feel like I don't hear it on the mic. I hear it normally. Anyway. There, I moved the table and it stopped. Alright. Sorry about that. So there's what the cards look like this year. So there's nothing there. So most of your packs aren't really going to have much of anything in them. Base is pretty much worthless because so much of this gets opened that you could have a whole complete base set and sell it for like 10 bucks. Maybe. There's a Tyler Lockett Rookie of the Year die cut. That's kind of cool. Bam. Gonna have a huge mess. Teddy Bridgewater. Oh, hey, hey, first autograph. Oh, yeah. Good box already. Tyler Lockett. Championship ticket out of 99. Nice looking. On card. I like it. I want to say his base are not on card. I'll go ahead and put this in a loader. Waste no time. No time. Oh yeah. Sweet. Sweet. Well, that makes me happy. MVP Contenders, Matt Ryan, die cut. Doo-doo. Here's another auto of Doran Grant for the Steelers. And I made a thread on Blowout checking what is SP and what is not, so I can kind of quick check and see, because I basically looked at everything on eBay to see what all was listed so far, because there's a lot, and he is not one of them. So basically, if there was already 3 or more listed on eBay, I was like, that's not an SP. He already got 3 out on the first day. So, Travis Benjamin. There's a pennant die cut. Cam Newton. Maybe a Super Bowl winner. Maybe an MVP. We'll have to wait and see. What do you guys think? You think he's gonna win? Think Panthers make it? I see a shiny pennant. Number 99 of 99. Rob Gronkowski. 99 of 99. Very cool. I'll put that with the autos as a hit. Somebody might want that. Kind of like Gronk. I have a few little non-auto stuff of him. AJ Green. Some numbered cards that I've hit here and there of him. He's just so crazy. Oh, now you can really hear the washer. Sorry for that hiss. Oh, you got another hit. It is Rookie of the Year, Vic Beasley. Rookie of the Year Contenders. Not numbered. So insert hit there. Is he a Rookie of the Year contender? I don't know. He's on the Falcons, so probably not. Joe Montana, Contenders, Legendary Contenders, die cut. There's Tom Brady. Doug Baldwin. If you want my base, let me know. Because I don't. Peyton Manning, Matt Ryan, LaShawn McCoy pennant. Nothing in that one. Nothing. No inserts, nothing. Interesting. Imagine if you bought that pack as a single pack and you just got all base cards and nothing else. And another one, 2 in a row. You'd be like, oh, I'll take the first 2 cards on the right side, or the first 2 packs on the right side of the box. And then you get them, and neither of them even have an insert in them. And then number 3 doesn't have anything in it either. And you bought the 3rd pack and got nothing. I bought 4 packs and got a autograph. And that guy, AJ Can. So I always like to open something at the shop now. Like open most stuff at home, something at the shop. Kelvin Benjamin. Here's a touchdown tandem of Jordy Nelson and Aaron Rodgers. Die cut. They're all die cuts. Everything's a die cut. Oh, finally got another hit, and it is Nate Orchard for the Browns. Look over my list real quick, and he's not. Doesn't look like he's a short print either. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 autos. Guaranteed one more, at least. Possibly 2 more. Hopefully another on card would be cool. There's the Eddie Lacy pennant. And we have a Jalen Collins with the shortest autograph I've seen in a while. Rookie ticket. Checking. There's a Landon Collins. Looks like he might be short printed, but not Jalen. So there's 5 autographs. So if we get a bonus one, it'll be in one of these. But most likely they're just going to be inserts. Rookie of the Year Contender die cut, Melvin Gordon. So the Rookie of the Year Contender die cuts look like this, but then there's Rookie of the Year Contender autographs that look like that. Interesting. Interesting. Base by base. See another die cut. Round numbers. Carlos Williams and Rashad Green, round 5. Carlos Williams is round 5? Nice. Nice pickup. Bills. Way to go. I think he'll do better next year, probably. Did pretty well. Oh, I think I saw another hit. Yes, I did. And it's somebody that I will like to keep. Tyler Croft for the Bengals. Another rookie ticket. So that's probably going to be it for the hits. I have 1 pack left. I will recap at the end. Similar to others, I only got 1 on card. The rest were stickers. Kind of disappointing this year. It used to be 2. But the on cards, I guess, will be more valuable because they're few and far between. Drew Brees pennant. So here is what I hit. First, we got a Kronkowski 99 of 99 pennant. And then for the base autos, we had Doran Grant. Oh, I didn't even look to see if there are variations or anything. Doran Grant, Tyler Croft, that's both base, Jalen Collins, also base, Nate Orchard, also base, and then of course the insert Rookie of the Year Contenders, Vic Beasley Jr., and the big one, Tyler Lockett, championship ticket numbered to 99. That's it. So, decent box. Decent box. The Lockett should do pretty well. And I'll keep the Croft definitely. And then the other ones are probably like $3 autos or something. But, you know, if you can get at least half your money back, it's a pretty decent box for you. So, thanks for watching my video. Let me know if you think I should do more. I still have 2 other videos I need to put up here. Actually 3 now. Starting to pile up a little bit. I'm a procrastinator. I'm busy. Sorry. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more cool stuff.